is she doing?
Moana. Hop.
What's she doing?
Can you hop like a goofy girl? There you go. That's a good hopper. That's a good hop. Yeah, that's too fast. That's too fast. Yes, that's too fast. Woohoo! What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. Can I see if you have any good feathers? Can you let me take it? Looks like good. That looks good. That looks good. You're excited, aren't you? You're too cute. You're too cute. Are you fun?
Oh, she's cute. She is so cute. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, yay! Are you coming for your close-up? What a good girl.